Welcome back to the channel, the Daily Forex. In this video, I'm going to share with you and teach you how you can trade Crash 1000 index using price action strategy. Alright, so if you want to learn how to do this, then stick to the end of this video so that you can get every details that I'm going to explain in this video. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is add two indicators into our chart, which is the relative strength index and the MACD. Okay, so these two indicators are going to help us together with our price action strategy. Right now, the indicators in my chart, I'm going to share with you the parameters later on in this video. Okay, now we are trading this on the 1 minute time frame. So first, we'll go to the higher time frame to confirm our entries. We'll confirm our entries on the 1 hour time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, and the 30-minute time frame. So first of all, let's go to the higher time frame first, which is the 1 hour time frame. So we zoom in right here. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market has sold for a long period of time. So there is a higher chance that the market will buy for a long period of time as well, because if we check the previous history on the market, we can see that the market bought for a long period of time, then it sold a little bit, then it bought again, and now it has sold. Now the next step is for the market to buy, okay, because the market has sold for a long period of time. So we're going to confirm this on the 30-minute time frame as well. So we can check that on the 30-minute time frame, we can see that it's following the same process on the 1 hour time frame, just as you can see right here. So we'll go over to the 15-minute time frame. All right, almost the same as the 30-minute time frame. So what should we do right here is to go to the 1 minute time frame, and we will wait after a spike because the market has bought for a particular period of time on the 1 minute time frame. And you know that on the 1 minute time frame, spikes mostly occurred, unlike the 1 hour time frame, whereby you see the market buying. Even though the spike drops, the candlesticks will just reduce a little bit, but you wouldn't see the spike coming down instantly, unlike the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now because we are trading this on the 1 minute time frame, we want to wait until the spike will come, just like I said right here, and there was a spike immediately. So imagine if you are in this market right now and you saw the market has been buying for a long period of time and you just placed a buy, you will end up losing your trade without making any profit. Okay, so these are the analysis you need to watch out for before placing a trade. You don't just enter into the market without analysis, right? So now the market just sold a little bit. We're not going to place a buy. We're going to wait because another spike may come into this point. The reason I say that another spike may come is because the MACD is on the downtrend, and mainly on the downtrend of the MACD, there's a lot of spike, and we see a very drop down in price movement on the Crash 1000 index, and we'll see a very drop in price movement, and there was a little buy right here. So what we're going to do right now is to zoom out just to see where price is. Okay, price is as the oversold position. So we'll go to the 1 hour time frame to confirm again. Right here, price has sold, and we can see where the market is at this point right here. Now I just confirmed to you guys that the spike would come into the market, and we should wait after the spike before we place a buy. And immediately the market spikes, and we can see right here, this is a very huge amount of spike. If you zoom into the market, you can see that the spike could result to about 10 to 15 candlesticks on the market. Now we can see that the market has spiked again. So like I said, we're going to wait until the spikes, because during the downtrend of the MACD, there's a lot of spikes on the market, and we just witnessed 2 spikes on the market. Okay, we can see that the market is highly volatile because the market has been selling for a long period of time. If we draw this this arrow right here, you can see from this point right here, the market have been selling up to this point. And even though the market is at the oversold, it doesn't mean that the market is at the oversold on the higher time frame. That's why we went to the higher time frame and we confirm that the market is selling, and because now the market has been buying for a long period of time, so the market needs to make back those entries, just as we're seeing here that the market bought for a long period of time and it sold up to this position right here. Okay, and given that this MACD right here is at the overbought and it has gotten to the level of 90 of the RSI. Okay, whenever the MACD gets to the level of RSI, the market would sell, meaning that the market will spike, and we are witnessing that on the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. And if we go to the 1 minute time frame, we can see that the MACD is on the downtrend right here. Okay, so this is not a good entry point for us to place an entry for a buy. So what we should do right here is to wait until we see a good entry position. Okay, so we just witnessed theory drop in price movement for a sell. The market just sold the third time. Okay, and this market is highly volatile, and this is not a good entry point for us to place a buy because the market is highly volatile. And if we check the 1 hour time frame right here, we can see that the market is selling and it has not retested yet. Okay, so we're not going to place a buy because this market is highly volatile. So before you place an entry on crash market, always check the higher time frame to confirm your entries, because on the 1 minute time frame, the market might be telling you that the market is at the oversold and also at the overbought, right? And we all know that whenever the market is at the overbought, we're expecting the market to sell, right? And whenever the market is at the oversold, we're expecting the market to buy. So that is how the basic structure actually works. But what you should know is that the hourly time frame controls the lower time frame. So whenever you're on the market, either on crash and boom, do not just check on the 1 minute time frame alone before placing your entries, right? And there's just another spike on the market, making it the fourth spike on this market. Okay, now you can see our price action can help you trade successfully, help you avoid spikes on the market, and help you see the next price movement. Without you doing proper technical analysis on your trading, you won't be able to have a successful trade even using the price action strategy. The market is highly volatile, and we're seeing a huge drop in price movement from this market right now, and the market just spiked in the fourth time, resulting from 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. Okay, so this market is highly volatile and it's not a good opportunity for you to place a buy. And we came into the market late, so we cannot place a sell because we can't predict right now the next price movement. Okay, so what we're going to do is to wait until we see the market has retest on the higher time frame. If we check the 5 minute time frame right here, the market is selling and we can see a long amount of sell on this market. And like I said, during the downtrend of the MACD, the market always spikes. Okay, so these are where you can avoid spikes on the market, and how you can trade the crash market, the crash 1000 index market, with price action strategy, teaching you how to enter the market at the appropriate time. Okay, you don't just enter into the market and place your entry without doing your proper analysis and checking how the price action is doing. And right now there's just a fifth spike on this market. Okay, the fifth spike, the market just spiked right now. So what you should do first before taking an entry is to first of all look at the market chart, check how the price is going on the market. Then you do your proper analysis, your technical analysis, and you put in the RSI. Like I always say, always use the RSI indicator, is always useful. Then you put in the MACD, set in the correct parameters for the MACD indicator. Then you go to the higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame precisely. Then you check how the market is doing. If the market has bought for a long period of time and you see that the market has started retesting for a sell, what you should do is to place a sell entry. Okay, you should place a sell entry and you check how far and how long the market have bought. Okay, so how long the market has bought, it will determine how long the market will sell on the hourly time frame. Then you can go to the 1 minute time frame to place your entry to either scalp the market, taking advantage of small price movement from the market. Okay, so I hope you understand and found value in this video that I've just shared with you guys on how to trade crash 1000 index with price action strategy. Okay, then for the parameters we're using for the RSI, we put on the period on 14, you apply to close, the level for 90 and the level of 10. Then the style is going to be on 1 pixels, while you can use the color white. Okay, then you click on done. Then for the MACD indicator, we put on the fast EMA 14, the slow EMA 24, and the MACD SMA on 10. You apply to close. For the main color black, the signal color is red, and they are all on the 4th line, right? The 4 pixels. Then that's the parameters for this strategy. I'll see you guys on the next video.